Hi guys, and welcome back to another new video. And in this video I will be unboxing the 1:18 scale Diecast model of the Ducati 1199 Panigale. But first, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and also like this video. And you can also follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines. So I have purchased this model from Amazon. If you want to buy it, I will provide the link in the description. So let's get started with the video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.